In front of me is OnePlus 12R, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Begin by opening settings and tap in connection and sharing. Then select print and tap on default print service. Lastly, just wait. Your device is looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it. If you prefer to use a different service, disable this one first thanks to blue sweater at the top. Go back. Tap on Add Print Service and download the best one for you. I will go with this one. When your new service is ready, go back to the same settings and click on it. Then wait as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!